The craziness around here is palpable. Day one of CES, we decided to take a quick walk down into the Innovation Awards area, and lo and behold, what do I have here? Tactotek IMSE technology. You've heard us talk about Tactotek IMSE technology before. Now they're breaking into the mainstream. This is proof that what they're talking about is actually being used, and we will have much more cool things to say about this in the very near future. Now, IMSE technology, as you know, is in-mold structural electronics. In other words, they're combining aesthetic surfaces, all the electronic circuitry in a stiff surface that senses touch, that senses movement, and they are actually pulling this off in a really, really thin package. The stack, as they call it, is very, very thin. It involves a lot of specialized materials, films, as well as plastic resins, and it has LED lights, and we also can add other functionality, like, for example, tactile feedback. I had the opportunity to talk with an expert from Tactotek, and we're here with Thomas Lipscomb. Nice to meet you.
John, great to be here. What's exciting this year is we kicked off CES with some validation of the efforts that we've been putting together with Covestro, with your EE team, with your mobility team, receiving 2 awards. So that's really the way we want to kick off CES, is bringing the education and awareness to the next level. Mass production has started. So we're no longer talking about proof of concepts and prototypes. Going beyond the aesthetics and the wow factor or the welcome features or the user experience, now we're talking about valuable function integration. And that's really where we can combine with these different platforms to solve the variety of applications or use cases that are not only in automotive, but as you find in the show, throughout the smart home, connected home, we're seeing a lot of growth in that area as well.
I'm loving this. Now, closing this out, peer into your crystal ball, give me an idea of timing when you think you can talk about the big stuff that you can't talk about yet.
Going into Q1, you'll start to see a lot of developments around the IMSE ecosystem, projects, and the support that's coming across the globe.
I am loving this. Thomas, thank you.
John, thanks for having me.